Hey, it's nearly that time, the end of the year. And I don't know about you, but 2019 has the most magical ring to it. As I look back over the past year, you know, I can reflect and think that there were some pretty bad things happened, but also some very good things happened. And here at Astar's Place, me anyway, I am very optimistic because I know that the good always outweighs the bad. I have so enjoyed spending time with you this year, and next year I am here to help with all those floral and craft ideas. Just drop me a line. So until I see you again in 2019, mind how you go, look after yourselves, and here is cheers to you from me. That's good.